Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we're back here in La Residencia, Santa Rosa, Laguna to feature this brand new, beautiful, modern Filipino home. Tara, simulan na natin. If you're new to my channel, I'm Armand Cruz. I'm a real estate broker here in the Philippines and I sell properties in Laguna, Cavite, and Batangas. So if you're looking for a property or looking to sell your property, I invite you to subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell, or you can also contact us on our Viber, WhatsApp, and iMessage. The number is posted on the screen. We're also on social media where we have Facebook and Instagram. Or if you're just looking for a property and you just want to get updated with the latest news, you can go on our Viber community. The link is on the description box. So let's go and continue our house tour. This property is located inside La Residencia, Santa Rosa, Laguna, easily accessible to malls, schools, and hospitals. Now, for more details about the establishers near the property, you can check out the description box. Now, this property is seated in a lot area of 180 square meters with a floor area of 225 square meters. It has 3 bedrooms, 3.5 toilet and bath, a carport that can fit your 2 SUV cars, a maid's room with its own toilet and bath, a pocket garden, a family area, and I'm really excited to show you this one. Kaya ikutin na po natin yung exterior part ng bahay. So before we go around the property, let's just admire the exterior part of this house. This is a modern Filipino design which is very nice. As you can see, yung exterior part ng bahay, meron tayong mga WPC na nakakabit. And then you also have this beautiful Nara wood door right in front that is very inviting and napakaganda po niya. So tara, pasok tayo sa loob. And as you can see, yung frontage natin is wide and you have your carport here that can easily fit your 2 SUVs or even a pickup. So tara, pasok tayo. As we enter the property, you will be greeted by this space on the right side which can be your landscape garden na pwede nyo pong lagyan ng inyong landscaping. It depends. You can put tables and chairs. Now, right across would be our carport. Again, like I said, it can easily fit your 2 SUV vehicles, even your pickup. Kasyang-kasya po siya. Very wide, and you still have you can actually see it's very inviting, it's very well designed. Now, as you move a little bit further, all throughout the house, you have this wide patio on the side, which can be, or pwede nyo pong lagyan ng tables and chairs. You can put a sofa wherein you can relax and sit down, or drink coffee, or have your dinner here in the evening. Now, as I move a little bit further, this is your dirty kitchen. So, ang maganda dito sa ginawa niya, it kept the design of like Filipino home, di ba? Modern Filipino, pero di ba sa typical na Filipino na mga houses, yung mga old school na mga houses dati sa probinsya, ang design po niya is cement lang. So, they maintained it as a cement finish and it's very nice. Talagang it stayed true to its design and concept. Now, here also at the back, at our service area, meron din po tayo. Dito po yung ating laundry. And also, you can also do some cooking. And you also have your maid's room here. Yung maid's room natin can fit your single bed or your double deck. And then, meron din po siyang sariling toilet and bath here at the back. So, you already have just a small or just the right space for your maid. You have your toilet and also meron kang faucet dyan kung saan siya pwedeng maligo. So, we're done here at the back of the house, or the exterior part of the house. Let's go inside the property. Right before we enter the house, we'll be greeted by our very beautiful Nara wood door. It's quite huge and very beautiful, and you also have that double pivot door na nagpapagaan sa kanya whenever you push the door. I'm right-handed, and when you're pushing it, sobrang gaan po niya. Now, as we enter, we'll be greeted by our very wide and spacious open layout. You have your living space here on the side with your wooden slots or your WPC wooden slots here on the ceiling. You also have your your ceiling fan, and then here in our living area would be an access going to our pocket garden at the back. Now, right across our living area would be our dining area, which can easily fit your 6-seater, 8-seater, or even your 10-seater dining table. Napakaluwag po niya, napaka-inviting niya. Now, I know the video cannot say how beautiful this house is, but this is very airy, very maaliwalas, sobrang ganda po. If you really like the house na maaliwalas and also airy po siya, you will definitely like this. Now, right across from our dining area would be our kitchen with your quartz countertop. You have your WPC wood here, and you also have your backsplash there. Ang concept po ng ating kitchen will be your Japanese design. Now, you have a lot of space here to store your things, and dito rin po sa other side, you have this area which can be your buffet area. Whenever you're eating with family, you have your guest. Sobrang galing niya. Now, here also in our kitchen will be an access going to the pocket garden. So itong pocket garden natin, it's just right, just small. Now, tamang-tama lang siya if you want to relax and you just feel as if you're outdoor. You have this view of the pocket garden in your living and in your dining. So sobrang nagpapaliwala siya, nagpapagaan siya ng feeling whenever you're inside the house. Now, let's tour before we go upstairs. Let's just make notice ng ating mga sliding doors and also our arting windows. This is a high-grade aluminum with high-grade screen na sobrang ganda ng slide and sobrang okay po siya. It's very high-grade, very nice, very beautiful. This is all throughout the house. Even yung windows natin, ang windows natin are awning. And then magnetic po yung lock niya, which is very, very, very nice. Ang ganda ng screen niya. Okay, so before we go up, we also have our powder room here underneath the stairway. So dito sa ating powder room, you have your urinal, you have your toilet, and also you have your sink. We're done here in the ground floor. Let's go to the second floor. Welcome to the second floor. Now, before we proceed and tour you around the second floor, I'll just feature this beautiful staircase. This wood flooring here that you see, it's made out of Nara. Even the handles here, the handrails here are made of Nara. And it's just perfectly or just the right size of width, and also yung steps po niya, maganda yung pag-akyat niya. It's just the right. Kasi ako, I have knee problems, so saktong-sakto po siya. And apart from that, what's nice about this staircase is you have this part here of the wall that you can feature your favorite artist, your favorite painting, or just your family portrait. Kasi you also have that track lights so that it can zoom in with your favorite portrait or even your painting. So as we go up here on the second floor, we'll be greeted by our family area. This is very spacious. Now, you have an option to convert this to another room, but if you're the type that likes to stay here in the second floor, you can convert this into a family area, entertainment area, maybe a study area for your kids, just the right size. Now, if you would notice, pag-akyat po natin dito sa second floor, the tiles has immediately changed from tiles down the ground floor. Here in the second floor, we're using already SPC wood, or good type of, or parang magandang klase po ng SPC wood. So it's just very nice, good design. It's not cold on the feet, it's just right. And then you have this spacious space here on the second floor. Now, as we move a little bit further, dito po pala sa ating second floor, we have 3 bedrooms, a family area, and 3 toilet and bath. Let's begin with the first secondary bedroom. Pagpasok po natin, it's just a good size. Kasya po ang ating semi-double or even our double bed. And you already have your cabinets here. Our full-size cabinet, which can fit all of the needs of your clothes. And you also have this toilet and bath here in the room. So, maganda po siya. You have your sink, you have your quartz countertop, you have your cabinet here, you have your bidet, you have your toilet, and you also have your shower. Now, what's nice about also this room is it has a corner window. You have 2 windows here. So, it gives you that ample lighting and also ample airflow inside the house. Now, let's go to the next room. Almost identical but different in shape. So you also have again, you have your cabinet here, different in shape po siya. You have your bedroom space here. which can actually fit, maybe this one can fit your double bed. Baka nga po kasya pa yung queen size. Pero pag queen size po, baka siksik na po siya. But what I like about the two rooms that we saw, meron po siyang two windows each. So yun yung maganda dito. It has two windows each, which allows the natural light and actually the airflow to come in. Now, this also has its own toilet and bath. Different in layout naman. Kung kanina pahaba, this one square. So again, you have your toilet, you have your quartz countertop, you have your your toilet, you have your sink, you have your bidet, and also you have your shower area. Now, I'm really excited to show you this one. Let's go to the master's bedroom. So we're done with the first bedroom, the second bedroom, also the family area. Now we're going to show you the master's bedroom. So here in the master's bedroom, it's the biggest room in the house. Kasya pong ating king-size bed. And you will be greeted by our walk-in closet. So this is supposed to be our walk-in closet. So you have your two cabinets here, store your clothes, and then you can actually put maybe you could put your TV here so that hindi po siya kita, or you can put something here so that it's fully enclosed. But the designer of the house kept it open so that it will leave iwan na po niyan sa bagong buyer to design it for their own. Now, as you can see, if the two rooms has two windows, this one has three windows and huge windows. And what's nice about that, again, more air, more light, more air that comes in the house. Sobrang aliwalas niya. You can actually have your king-size bed here. You can still put a small sofa or maybe a small study here on the second floor. Now, also here on the master's bedroom, you have your own toilet and bath. You have your his and hers sink. Okay? You have your toilet here on the other side. You have your his and her sink, and you also have your shower area. Now, this is the biggest bathroom in the house, and it's one of the nicest one. Now, again, Armand, nasan yung mga mirrors, nasan yung mga shower enclosures? Kayo na pong bahala dyan. Siyempre, the builders will leave some space for creativity for the new buyer. Thank you for watching our house tour for today. If you would like to see this property in the actual or go for a site visit, you can contact us in the contact information posted on the screen. Here we have our Viber, WhatsApp, and iMessage. You can also contact us in our social media accounts. We have our Facebook and Instagram. Now, if you're still looking for a property or you'd like to just look around, we have our Viber community where we post our latest property listings and offerings in the South. Once again, this is Armand Cruz, and I hope to see you soon in my next house tours. Bye, guys!